Hi, my name's Scott. Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson, MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Do a video walkthrough for you of our newly arrived. It's a 2024 MasterCraft X26. So I'm going to start at the bow of this boat. Huge bow, by the way. It's got a subwoofer up here with two Klish speakers, cup holders. Got the armrest, bow filler that can be removed right here. Huge playpen seating. 5 people can sit up here. Huge, fun front bow. We got the door that you can close off here, close the windshield and separate the front to the back. On the X26, a little bit different than a typical ski boat. You do have a seat over here that sits forward, so very nice. You can ride shotgun and face forward, and then this seat does flip back. So if you're facing out the boat to the back, you do lay to lounge out. Then goes into this huge, long, nice bench area. Reversible couch seat. Big bench area and another big, nice back high-rested seat. Over here at the helm, we got the dual screen, advanced audio, navigation, camera. Got the phone charger down there. This boat does have a bathroom in it. Nice deep bathroom. You can get down in there easy. Nice little sink in there. It does have a heater in there. Pretty cool. So if it's cool and you're using it. Come back around. We have the bifold billet mirror. It does have the Z8 folding tower with wake and surf racks, clamping racks. 26-foot boat, as I said. It has a 6.2 liter 430 horsepower motor. Because it is the X series, we have the rear transom lounge seats, fold up backrest, flip out footrests, pop up ski tow bar. Awesome boat. Phone holders, heaters, heated seats. Great boat. This boat is for 2024, has the new power switch right there. You can turn on and off with your phone if you forget. You can download the app and turn off the boat batteries after you get back to the house or the car and forgot to turn the batteries off. So really cool for 2024. So come and check out this new X26. It'll be at the store here at MarineMax in Greenville. We're gonna have it online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, and you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thanks.